Guys, welcome to another Thomas Talk. Today we're going to be doing puzzles because you guys wanted me to kill myself. So let's do it. Let's start off with the easier one. Easier, like, meaning it has 18 pieces as opposed to 24. Justin, shut up. No one cares. Alright. There's tape, so this is going to be hard. Look how strong I am. I can open it without cutting it. Maybe. Alright. Puzzle. Now you get to see me struggle. So here's what it looks like. Okay. How to do a puzzle 101. Alright, so you always start off with the corners, maybe. I don't know. I think you start off with the edges and move in. So this is the top left corner. Left is this way, for you guys who don't understand. Because I know you're out there. This is bottom right. Right is the opposite way. Oh, wait, you don't know the word opposite. You're a Thomas fan. Yeah. This is top right corner. So right, left, up, down. Right? No? Okay. Here, I'm just going to lay out these pieces so I can see them. Why am I doing this? And don't anyone say for views, because that's exactly why I'm doing this. Why did I try that? I'm not an idiot. I'm not an idiot. Okay. Yeah, that part. Something is mentally wrong with you, guys. Yes. I was hoping you'd be small. So, this puzzle looks way too easy for any kid. If I can do it, a kid can do it. So, don't buy this. It's trash. There's no reason. It's useless. Yeah, I still can't figure out how to build it. Oh, wait. That's where the piece I was looking for. Yeah, it's trash. Don't buy it. It's way too easy. Way too hard. I mean easy. I think. 18-piece puzzle. That sounds useless anyway, so. I mean, if you have like a little kid, I guess. But I know most of you don't have kids. You're like just 17-year-olds in your mom's basement. Just wanting friends, but then you realize you're a Thomas fan, so. Yeah. Life sucks. And I can't figure out how to do this. This is embarrassing. Almost done. Okay. Yes. Makes sense. Yeah, so to most of our fans, I'd say don't buy it. You have no reason to buy it unless you really are that sad. But yeah, like, this is a waste of money because I know you're just in your basement, like, crying. Okay, I did it. I feel very rewarded for completing an 18-piece puzzle in 4 minutes. Should have been less, but yeah, I do better in Mario Party. So there's the first one. I just destroyed it because I don't give a shit. What am I? Well, I just like my brain's just stopped working there for a second. Oh my. I think this puzzle's gonna be easier since there's more pieces. I find that easier. Oh yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like. This one's a much better puzzle, but it's still trash. I can already tell this is gonna be too easy. Yeah, so let's get started with finding the corners. Okay, there's corner, bottom right. Again, right is to the opposite of the left. I know you guys are idiots, but you'll understand eventually once you go to first grade. That was not targeted at anyone. Corner piece. Maybe. No, you just want to like... Why am I doing this again? Okay, got the final corner. Oh. Got that. Got that. This puzzle I can already tell super easy. Impossible to do. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying. I just want to go to bed. No, I want to go home. No, I don't want to go home. I want to go. I just don't want to do puzzle. Why am I doing puzzle? I'm having a crisis, guys. If you're watching this, you're probably a pervert, so like at this point. Don't know why you'd want to watch some guy putting together a 24-piece puzzle, but yep. So tell me. Oh wait, you can't. Low lives, maybe.
They should have put her keys in the
You guys heard nothing. This is so easy. Don't buy this puzzle unless it's for your 1.5-year-old. Or you're a 1.5-year-old. Because this is really not fun. Oh, wait, why are they doing Kenji, not Percy? Isn't the logo Percy? That's something off. Idiots. Mattel. I wonder, does Mattel actually make this stuff? Because they're like a company, you know? They're like a toy company. So I wonder if they still make the merch. I got a shrug. Almost done. This is way too easy of a puzzle. I did it in like 4 seconds. I can easily do this. Let's go, I did it. Let's go. Oh my gosh. I didn't think I could do that. Stupid Kenji. Thank you guys for watching this video. I don't know why you wanted to see it, but you watched it. If you like this video and want to see more like it, then don't watch our channel because I'm never doing this again. Bye.